photo, but not me. He's taking photo for others. See? Okay. This is the Esplanade of Hong Kong. See, there's a lot of building. We're here because we're waiting for the Symphony of Light. Do you like your baby?
Yes, what about you?
Yes, very happy. Are you hungry?
Still okay, but I want to eat first. Fast food day.
Also, we need to take a look for a place to eat.
Yes.
Okay, we will take a look for a place to eat first because we haven't taken our lunch yet. Okay, bye.